Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, this is first of the year, 2021. Happy New Year. So I went ahead and got Flora this new drone. This is a Hollystone HS720E. And of course, I'm out here flying it. But I got it so that she could come along and, video from the air some of the things that we do and our travels. We do travel quite a bit, and it's really nice to see the surrounding areas that we work. So like I said, this is a model HS720E, and the E is really cool because that is the stabilization of the image, and it has a Sony quality image stabilization. It works pretty good. So this is our first flight. We're just checking it out, seeing what we're doing, and we're flying over a construction site, which is a bridge, and they're building a new road here. This is Green Cove Springs, Florida. But I wanted to take this little opportunity to talk about Apple Drains in 2021. If you followed our channel, you've noticed that we've got 3 offices now. We are in Miami, Florida, Orlando, Florida, and in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are growing. Slowly but surely, we are growing and servicing more and more people every day. Some of the videos that I've got scheduled are about pipe, the best pipe to use should you use Schedule 40. I've got a video about that. We've also got several new toilet videos because those have been really great. A lot of people like those. Some of them have 1 million views already. You'll also see some new faces on our videos. We're going to have Adam Thompson down there in Miami, Florida. He's got a lot of great experience, and he's going to put together some really good videos, so can't wait to see those. You'll also see new faces here in Orlando and in Charlotte. So this is our maiden voyage with this drone, and the optics are pretty good on this. I still have a lot to figure out, but didn't crash. That's a good thing, right? But the video quality is actually pretty good, and it's 4K, which is really nice. It's difficult. One of the problems I seem to be having is using my iPhone is to actually get that video to come on to the to the phone itself. I can't seem to get it on there. It can go onto the card, the SD card, but it doesn't really stay on the phone very well. This is not a review of the drone. We're just talking, showing you a Happy New Year for everyone, 2021. And I really hope that everybody's safe and they still follow that distancing and, put that mask on. We are so close. I saw here this morning here in Clay County, which is Green Cove Springs, that Monday they're going to be giving out the vaccine to the public. That's just amazing. I'm not sure how they do that. There's certain regulations I thought about giving that out to the public, but Monday morning in Clay County, they're going to start to give out the vaccine. I only know that if we can get everybody to that herd immunization as they talk about, wow, our country could actually be back to normal again, I hope. So this little drone has a lot of features on it, and if you get online and take a look at it, it's pretty cool. The return home button, when it runs out of power, it automatically comes back. It has a pretty good distance, that you can range out to. It's a pretty good drone. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day, and Happy New Year!